Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two more projects. This is a mirror I thrifted over the weekend at the flea market and I got it for $8. It measures about almost 4 feet tall and 2.5 feet wide. It is huge. It is something that I thought I wasn't going to like, and I was just going to sand the edges. So I started to sand the edges and I was like, this is just it's trash. So I was gonna throw it out and I thought I was done. And then as I was smoothing it out with a smooth sandpaper, a piece of paint came off, and then I continued and I loved the way it looked, so I just kept going. For the mirror, it was all sprayed as well. It had a lot of paint, so I just used a small blade to clean it up, and that was that. It was pretty much done by then. All I needed to do was seal it, and I used the orange wax that you can find at Home Depot, and this one gave it a beautiful bright, I don't know if it's cherry red, and I usually don't like that color of wood, but this mirror is just amazing. I cannot believe I scored it only $8, and I mean, it looks like you could pay about $2.50 at Hobby Lobby, or at least $1.80. But I am so in love with it. All I did after that was add a door handle on the very top, and that is to hang my wreaths if I ever do. And if not, it just gives it a very nice look and a simple touch at the very top. And that door handle I found at Hobby Lobby for about 88 cents. It was in the 90% off section, and I love it. This chair right here, I bought about 5 years ago, and I gave it one coat of blue because I had an eclectic taste back then, and I was just basically painting my whole house at that point. And but I never finished it. It's been in my dining room ever since, and it is ugly, but I decided to sand it down again. And actually I bought it this color, and I should have never painted it because I am into these tones of wood right now. And so all I did was sand it down and sanded most of it because I was going to stain it anyway, and then wipe off wherever the paint stayed, wipe off the stain from there. And of course I use Jacobian because when I sand my furniture, I wanted to give to have that dark wood stain in the bottom, and that's the end result. As you can see, there's still a touch of blue. And this right here, I apologize, but I was recording this with my phone, so it is in a small screen. But I just used Rust-Oleum flat white paint, and I painted the chair with that. I gave it one coat, let it dry for 24 hours, and then I gave it a second coat. And then I started to just sand the edges. And if you hear water, it's because I'm outside and it's raining. So I just sanded the edges, and I made it look less crazy than my mirror, but I love my mirror. And so that's all I did for the chair. I did give it a nice sanding throughout the whole surface to smoothen it out, but that's the end result, and I really like it. It looks like it's just naturally worn out, which was what I was looking for, and kind of matches my dining room now. And it matches my dining room. I'm absolutely in love with it, and I tried to do that sanding down the middle to make it look natural too, just where people sit, where it's worn out. And look at my mirror. I'm just so in love with it. I placed it on top of the mantle. I removed that hideous mirror I had up there, and I replaced it with this one. And just the color it took with that orange wax, I'm in love with it. Look at that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. One more revamping video. Thank you for sticking around. Thanks for watching, and until next time.